Well, it's Saturday morning, November the 1st, and it's 10 after 7. Roger's going to be here about 7:30, he says, and we're going to take our bikes to the Wheels on the Green motorcycle and British car show. British cars, British motorcycles. So I've got my two bikes sitting out there waiting for Raj, and I've got everything all sitting here waiting to go with me over there. And I suddenly realized I don't have enough tie downs. I don't know why, but I've got two lousy pair of tie downs and some strange soft straps. So Kevin's on his way down with some more tie downs for me. So that's where we are. More later. All right, here we are. It's 9:30. The show is going to open at 10. This is British Wheels on the Green 2025, Phoenix, Arizona. And look at all these British cars. Look at that. And they just keep coming. I'll do a walk around later on and get some more detail. Look around. Look at all these cars. Look at this little guy, Morgan. Wow. They just keep coming. Now we're parked over here in the motorcycle area. I love the way they put down a drip shield on the driveway, knowing all British cars are coming down here. Here we are.
Yeah, this is Frank right here. We're just looking at your bike.
Beautiful bikes.
Oh, cool. Thank you. Here's my little Triumph. Here's my Norton. Got a Royal Enfield. Beezer, little single-cylinder Beezer. Another Beezer. Trumpet. That's a modern Trumpet. Ariel. Oh, a square four. Oh my. You don't see a lot of those. Your bike looks familiar.
Hey, how's it going, my friend?
How are you?
Good. I knew you were going to be here. I saw your video when you were getting your Norton ready and starting it up.
You got it? And then I brought it over here and the battery's dead. So I had to push it.
Oh no.
So anyway. All right, I'm just going to walk for a while and take different length videos, and then I'll hook them all together. Oh my. Oh my, oh my, oh my.
Put a Buick engine in for like 2 years. It was a Buick 215, which was Buick's smallest V8. And so this group was like, what if we put Buick's biggest V8?
We're going to go over an announcement for the voting. Voting is really, really important for the object of today and for all the participants, whether visitors or show participants. So, the first announcement is please be sure to use your vote today for today's personal prizes.
I just think that it would be cool to hang on the wall. Yeah. And
All right. Didn't know DeLorean was British, but hey.
2,000 cars were made.
TR3, The car I lusted after when I was a kid. TR7? No, TR4.
I drove that to
Oh,
New
look at
Mexico
these.
last fall, a year ago, to that rendezvous. You know, I drove almost 1,400 miles.
Alright. Keep in mind, I'm going down the outer part of the circle, the outer rim, and I'm going to come back over there on the inner circle. So what you're seeing is just a small percentage of what they've got here on display. Isn't this just cute as a bug? Look at this. Morris Woody. Isn't that something? The surfboard is about as big as a car. Let's walk over here and walk back. All right, let's do a walk back. Oh my, look at the color on that. Isn't that a pretty color?
That one's pretty.
Wow. Oh, another one that sticks out. Isn't that pretty? They're playing good music. My kind. Oh my. The Queen herself could be in this one.
Oops, I'm sorry.
It's okay, you're doing good. I look at that and I would have sworn it was the Rolls. Isn't that gorgeous?
That's where all
These
my
are
friends
probably my
from.
favorite
Yeah,
car in the world. Jag XK series. Round headlights, no covers. Originals with covers. That's earlier. Little bug eye.
I was working at a RAF base in North Yorkshire for 4 years. Yeah. Oh yeah?
block especially.
Oh, really?
I got stopped doing it before in Nevada. I used to grade it up in 72. Back when they still had the final facial speed limit.
Yeah.
And this cop, he's about this tall.
2000.
Isn't that pretty?
And the final facial speed limit said whatever you could do including you could
My goodness. It's hard not to reach saturation. I mean, right now, I'm there. So many cars. So many cool cars.
There are ones by the building there, like in the building. I don't know if it's open to us.
Aston Martin DB7. Look at this. Isn't this just cute as a bug? Wow. Little Nash. Well, we made the full circle. Oh, Bentley. Come on.
All you need to know is the date. And for us,
Isn't that pretty?
Fuel service.
Say again?